What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's kind of a lazy Saturday today. Got some easy mods planned. So today I'm actually gonna let my girlfriend here mod the Prelude, and I've got the stuff laid out. I've kind of told her what we're gonna do. She has never modded a car. Like, she doesn't. It's just not what she.
I don't know anything about cars.
It's not what she does. So I think it'd be fun just to have her kind of run through the motions, and it's not on her car, but she'll know I appreciate the mods. All right, mods. So if you guys remember this, thank you Dana Senpai. This, I told you guys I was gonna be putting on soon, but y'all didn't know I was getting the Prelude yet, and that's what is going on. I got my broke sticker. Took the Surikawa out of the BMW because Euro life, yeah, it's gonna go better in a Honda. And I've got something in here. I also have the Kakashi Sensei slab, so I'll show you guys what we're gonna do here. But first, I'm gonna let her open this up and show you guys what it is. I've had this for like a month, by the way, guys. I've been patiently waiting to install it. The suspense. You're keeping the subscribers waiting. So for anybody who doesn't know, this is a Broadway mirror. It's JDM as fuck. Everything on this isn't like Japanese, so it's kind of cool. I'm gonna take off the crappy Walmart mirror that's in it right now, and we're gonna go ahead and put that one on. But I think what I wanted to do was take the Kakashi slab and put it on there. So I think that's where we're gonna start, right?
Yes. We're gonna attempt to put it on.
As I was saying in the last video, this is the shirt I'm giving away. So once we hit 500, and we're like less than 50 away, so help your boy get to 500, and one of you guys is gonna win this shirt. If you're not a medium, and I thought about this because I know when I did the first round of shirts, a lot of you guys were ordering larges and extra larges. I do have a couple in the black with the white elevated. That's a large and an extra large. So if you happen to want to partake in the giveaway and you're not a medium, I still got something for you. Sick shirt though.
Yep, you can pick up one of these at some point. Not quite yet, the store isn't ready, but it'll be there soon.
I'm working on the website, guys, hold on. Oh, it's like so a lot thinner than I thought it was.
What's on the back here?
That's what squeezes over your stock mirror. They like expand.
Oh, okay.
All right, so what I was kind of saying is we're gonna take the Kakashi slab and put it in the corner there. As you guys can tell, it's a little too big, so we're gonna like cut off a little bit of the bottom. Alrighty, so I just basically cut off the bottom so that way now, so it should fit on the mirror now. Which, by the way guys, I will put a link down below. I got this on Amazon. They're not that expensive, so if any of you guys are looking to up your mirror game, it fits on like any car. So I'll put a link down below. No pressure. And pro tip guys, if you take the back side of the sticker, this waxy piece, instead of having to use a card, you can basically take the waxy side and just put it on the sticker and run it over it like that to basically make sure it just adheres really good.
What?
You gotta use some pressure.
I am. I'm holding the mirror.
Like you're massaging it.
No. I'm holding the mirror and pressing on the sticker simultaneously.
Oh, it's oil slick too? Damn, I didn't even realize that. I thought this sticker was black. Ooh, that looks so clean. Damn.
Yeah, good job, Jenna.
You did it, first mod. Damn, that looks so clean. Hey. Sweet, so now this is ready to go on the car. Today we're also gonna, like I said, we're gonna throw this on, the mirror, the Surikawa. Quick update on the taillights. I took them back out and I put them back in, and basically what I did was I ran a new bead all the way across this, and I also ran a bead like all the way around here, and I just wanted to make sure everything on the outside was sealed. So I haven't quite yet had an opportunity to test it. Really hoping this works, guys. So yes, we'll find out next time it rains, but let's get into the mods. That quick release though, so fresh. So here's the jank Walmart mirror that I found in the trunk of this car when I got it. And let's go ahead and take this off. Nice. Here she is, stock mirror, so same idea. Sounds like it. Hold on. I think that's it. I think you got it.
I think I got it too.
This mirror is sick, guys, because you can literally see everything behind you. First mod installed. Looking good. Now, I think the Surikawa, there's really nowhere to put it in here. I really wanted to hang it like facing this way, but there's nowhere to do it. Nah. What about, so that was the only spot I was thinking, and it's gonna like basically sit like that, which isn't the worst. The other idea I had was to take some cardboard, like I said earlier, and cut that out and put it in it, and then slip the cardboard like in this. Let's see if that would even work. No, that's not gonna work. So it's going right there. So flip it over, and you wanna unscrew those two. Then you just kind of peel it apart, and then you're gonna wrap it around that thing.
2 hours later.
Yes, okay. You want to know why I know which way it goes, which way the screws are supposed to go in? Because this one doesn't have any threading on it, and it's pretty much like just a washer. And this one has the threading, so you know that the screw is supposed to screw into the far side of the thing.
I'm so proud. Yeah, guys,
We're almost
sometimes you gotta learn that patience is a virtue.
But perfection is key.
Perfection is key, and I'm willing to be patient in order to get perfection. I'm really hoping this taillight thing works, because I've probably spent a collective of at least 5 days, like 24 hours of trying to fix these things. So I'm almost too afraid to even take it to a car wash and test it. I kind of want to just wait for it to rain and let the taillights sit and just, I don't know.
Soak up the water.
No, we don't want them to soak up any water. No water.
Almost. Wow, this was a lot more work than I thought. I thought I was just gonna like unbuckle something.
Imagine trying to install air suspension.
Hey, I've helped on some installs.
The cold air intake, the cool air. Yeah, man, the cool air intake. Oh, by the way, guys, this is Jenna. Her name is Jenna. And she is not a fan of cars. But
I like old cars. I really like cars from the 50s because I like how they look. I think they're very unique looking. And also scientific note, the ones that are long, they design them to look like that because they want them to look like they're going faster than they actually are, because in the 50s space travel was very up.
I think it's like Tesla, right?
Yeah, exactly.
This car is cool because it's old and it's got like pop-up lights.
And they blink. They say hi.
All right, it's on there?
Yep, I think so.
Nice. Now when I'm drifting in this thing, you got like the Jesus handle.
The Jesus bar.
Oh wait, while we're in here, let's. Oh bam!
Do you want to properly
Let's just
open the tree?
let's just open it up. Yeah, let's just do it. Full send.
In case anyone didn't know this.
Oh yeah, actually you
When
should
buy
show
a
them.
tree, you're actually supposed to just rip this top part off, and they made it shaped like a tree because like every week you're supposed to open it a little bit more. So you're supposed to start here, and then once your tree stops smelling, you open it up a little more, and then you just to this.
So graceful. Now all we have left is these, which are gonna go on the outside of the car. So I got some glass cleaner. Yep, so just spray it on. That's good, yeah. New paint job.
Circles or this way?
Whatever your heart desires. You can be creative with it. You can do some ovals, some circles, maybe some triangles. And then key with this one is to make sure the bottom here is like totally flat on that. Damn, I like it. That's clean. Thank you, Dana Senpai. Guys, go check out our store. Turn on post notifications so you know when it opens. Link down below. Now we gotta throw the broke sticker on because, you know, broke all day. And that is definitely the Prelude. Broke. Kind of the same idea. Throw it right there. Go for it. Guys, you know I'm a perfectionist, so it's taken a lot of strength to let my girlfriend do this. But she's gonna do a good job. Nice. Good job. Alright, so when I picked this car up, the guy actually had it listed as a Prelude limited edition, which I spent like hours online looking to see what that meant, and there's no limited edition Prelude. It's the S and the SI, and this is a fake badge. I don't know why someone put this on here, but we're gonna take this off. By we, I mean she's gonna take this off. So when you're debadging anything, guys, you wanna go ahead and just heat it up and try and, without melting the paint, I'd pull it a little bit away. And you just want to heat it up until you kind of loosen up the adhesive behind it. And then you want to take either floss or fishing line and basically just work behind it and try and saw it out. I'm really hoping there's no like holes in this behind it.
This is gonna rip a hole in my finger.
Keep it less pulling towards that way and more up and down like a saw. Oh no.
Well, there we go.
Yeah.
Put some more stickers on.
Yeah, they can put a sticker here now. Damn. Maybe I'm gonna have a leaky trunk.
Are you gonna put some tunes on?
Where are we going?
We're going to make a spare key. We're going to Amazon.
No, we're gonna go over to Ace Hardware, which is just a hardware store up the street. But I think first I kind of want some coffee.
Okay.
All right. Nice.
But you have to put some tunes on.
I'll put some tunes on, and it's an 80s car, so I'm thinking we should listen to something from the 80s. No, you can't.
Why not?
Because it's an old car, so you gotta like put power to it. And that way it kicks on the fuel pump.
What do you?
And then you have to let it sit for a couple seconds so it pumps fuel to the engine. I'd already started it and warmed it up, so it's fine, but future reference.
Okay, well I knew that too, so that's why I just turned it on. Okay with it.
Alright, let's go.
I can't reach the pedals.
Just move it to your liking. Get comfortable. Move the seat around if you need to. I'm gonna get us some nice tunes here. Use my sweet stereo.
Alrighty, we've got some noisy brakes to begin with.
That's alright.
Here we go. Oh boy. Oh. Alright, I like the steering wheel. Beautiful fall day.
It is a nice day, actually. It's a good day to crank your windows down. It's a Prelude kind of day. I haven't actually driven this in like a week because I have had the taillights out for a week. And I don't think it's supposed to rain anytime soon, so I'm not sure when we'll put it to the test, but fingers crossed. You gotta be careful up here because the roads are shitty. There's a stop ahead.
Ever come to Massachusetts, get a rental. Don't drive your own car. You will need an alignment after.
I do actually need an alignment because see how the steering wheel right now is like tilted? Like that's straight. If you put the steering wheel straight, we go right. This car is so fun to drive though. Yeah, they just kind of cut out the pavement and leave it.
It's turning into lava?
What? The Prelude is super fun to drive. You can tell it's 80 years old, but like
You said it was 80 years old.
Oh, no. It's an 88. You can tell it's 30 years old. Back in the day, like, it was a sports car, and like this thing was built on being lightweight and just phenomenal at handling. So the steering on it is awesome.
It's great.
It is great, right?
It's fun to drive.
I haven't really been hammering on it because I'm gonna be bringing it into the shop here hopefully this week. We're just waiting on the parts to get in, and I'm getting a new timing belt and having pretty much all the belts replaced. Jesus. The timing belt replaced, the power steering belt, pretty much all the belts because it's just, they're cracked and they've been sitting in the southern Tennessee heat for years, so we gotta do that. But, all right, let's go get some coffee. After you, my lady. Got it. No cup holders, but it totally works great. I mean, you can obviously see we hold 2 Dunkin' Donuts coffees, we've got a water, and we actually have space for another water. So, even though that doesn't look like they had good engineering back in the 80s, but they knew what was up. What is that?
I want to save it for later.
What is it? What is that?
Gum chewers understand.
Ace Hardware. So we just went to Ace Hardware and I got a spare key, but it works for the doors, but it won't turn on the ignition. So, I mean, I guess that's kind of the main point of a spare key is if I lock the main key in the car, at least I have a key to get into the car, so I can then use the main key to turn on the car. So I guess it works. I'm probably gonna wrap it up here, guys. Just wanted to do kind of a fun vlog this weekend with my girlfriend and get some of these new little mods done. So hope you guys enjoyed that. I do have some parts coming in for the F30. Make sure you stay tuned for that. And I know you guys have been waiting patiently for some more F30 content, but it's coming, guys. So I'll catch up with you guys soon. If this video, you know, if you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a fat like. Comment down below if you have any mod suggestions, and I'll see you guys next time. Oh yeah, and don't forget to subscribe. Peace.